In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ClickUp Workspace. By the end of this walkthrough, your Gmail will be connected to your ClickUp Workspace so you can send and receive emails directly from tasks, keep conversations in context, and streamline follow-ups without leaving ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the area where you see the big picture view of your team's work. This is the overview inside your team space, and it's a handy place to begin because it confirms you're in the correct workspace before you change any settings. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name in the top left so you don't connect Gmail to the wrong one. Next, open your workspace settings. Click the workspace name or avatar in the header and choose Settings. This takes you to the administrative controls for the entire workspace, which is different from personal settings. If you land on personal or profile settings by mistake, back out and make sure you're adjusting the workspace level options. Also note some organizations restrict who can change integrations, so you may need admin permissions to proceed. Inside workspace settings, look for email integration. This is where ClickUp centralizes mail providers and permissions so your team can manage email from tasks. Selecting this will open the email section dedicated to connecting accounts and configuring how email works inside the workspace. If you don't see the email option, it's usually a permission or plan limitation. Your admin can clarify access. Now choose Sign In with Google. A Google sign-in window will appear. Pick the Gmail account you want to connect or enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. You'll be asked to grant permission so ClickUp can send and read email on your behalf within tasks. This uses Google's secure OAuth process. ClickUp never sees your password, and you can remove access from your Google account at any time. If your company uses single sign-on, complete the prompts as provided by your organization. When you finish the Google prompts, you'll be returned to ClickUp with Gmail linked to the workspace. You should see your Google account listed as connected. From here, email becomes a native part of your task workflow, letting you draft messages, reply to threads, and keep stakeholder communication right alongside task details and attachments. A few quick tips. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups so the Google window can open. Switch to the correct Google profile if you use multiple accounts. And if the button is disabled, check that you're an admin in this workspace. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to your ClickUp workspace. Enjoy a cleaner, more connected workflow.